40 toes today so far. It's only 6 o'clock over there.
Okay, obviously that's the view. The voice you heard in the background was this dude from New Zealand who I've been hanging out with, who helped me get this place. This is the private walkway down to the beach. I think I have a little bit too much footage of this, but it's like really cool and really peaceful. Then you get on the elevator, go down, and then you take this little kind of rest area walkway down to that fence, and then use your key card, put you on the sidewalk. Sorry, not very good filming here. Nobody needed to see my feet, but it is what it is. And then you come right out onto the beach. Then we'll head back. I haven't been all the way back here, but that's a whole little like hike nature area, and there's some tables and chairs and stuff at the end there if you want to hang out. And back up on the walkway. Like I said, probably a little too much footage of the walkway, but it's really peaceful. If you look down there, that's all like a little, I guess, park area, like nature walk, hike kind of thing. They have some really cool trees down there, birds chirping. It's very peaceful. And over here, some tennis courts. And right here is the swimming pool. Now I'm back upstairs at the condo. I just took another shot of this because the first one was so quick, and you could hear Kiwi, the New Zealand guy in the background, yakking with the agent. Anyway, that's the whole view of the ocean there. There's a little island off in the distance. This is the same, but at night. And it's a pretty cool looking view. And finally, my little studio condo itself. There's a little cooktop, brand new microwave, little refrigerator. This is obviously the bathroom. There's a nice little bathroom, has a rainfall shower and a handheld shower and all that kind of stuff. Little dining table. And yes, it came with the dishes. Sofa, coffee table, obviously. Brand new television. I hadn't even taken the plastic off yet at that point. And then